12 is Mutesol. Courtesy of the National Museum. That's the lady, she was the builder. She says our country needs to be built and she'll continue building it. Thank you very much, Aurora, and thank you very much. You may take this. Thank you. I'd now like to call upon Rika Rigamba from RDB, Head of Tourism there, to kindly come and hand over the award of Miss Congeniality. Remember, this is the girl that all these 15 since was the number 1, according to them. And the winner of the Miss Congeniality Award is number 14, Uomahoro Ann.
Miss Kuburaje Arioho, Miss Wokubaneza, ni
WTA sponsored the Miss Innovation Award. I'd like to call upon Jerome Gafana to kindly come and hand over that. There's a foul-proof, bulletproof envelope here held by Sylvie. Sylvie, show us the contents of that.
WDA yateye inkunga y'imyambaro y'ibihangano by'uburyo umuntu atekereje agahita abishyira mu bikorwa. Niwe ugiye gutanga igihembo.
And the winner is Joe Krista, number 5, contestant number 5.
Joe Krista, numero 5, niwe uzi.
Photogenic. This award was decided by a panel of photographers. The lady who, even when she's in her sleep, she comes out perfect in her picture. All the pictures that were taken of her had to be the least edited. And the winner for Miss 2012 Miss Photogenic is...
To give this award, let's invite Mrs. Denise Benzide to come and award the girls. And the winner, Photogenic rero umukobwa wafotowe amafoto y'ubwoko bwose kandi akaba atarasuriwemo kenshi uwo nguwo niwe ugiye guhabwa icyo gihembo kandi akaba agiye kwakwa uwo ni uwitwa Fidele nimero 8.
Your lady, your contestant, Miss Popularity 2012. I'd like to call upon June Goga of Net Solutions to kindly come and hand over the award.
June Goga wa Net Solutions niwe ugiye guha igihembo cyangwa se
Thank you for voting.
umukobwa
Thank you,
watowe
Solution, for providing that platform. Miss Photogenic 2012 is Umutesi Liliana.
Miss Popularity Umutesi Lilian.
Thank you for the love. Thank you for showing the love.
Ladies and gentlemen, please let's give one more round of applause for Miss Heritage, Miss Congeniality, Miss Innovation, Miss Photogenic, and Miss Popularity. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Abashimishije cyane kuri abo bamisi uko ari batanu mu buryo butandukanye, umurage, guhimba, kubana n'abandi, gufotorwa neza.
And now, in Charlie's hand, he holds an envelope that contains the names of the top 5 contestants selected by our judges here. What will happen is when Charlie announces their names, each of you, and this is in no particular order, each girl will step forward, and then after that we will be asking them to take a Q&A from the judges once again. So let's hear it, Charlie. What are the names inside that envelope for the top 5
Now
girls?
listen to me carefully. We need to overemphasize this. We're going to call out the top 5 contestants in no particular order. When we call the 5 out, you clap for them. They will go back and they will take their round of questions after the entertainment break. Sylvie, you confirm that the contents in this envelope, as presented by the judges, are bulletproof and foul-proof.
Abo bakobwa uko bagiye kuvugwa ari batanu, buri mukobwa arajya atera intambwe yigire imbere, hanyuma baraza gusubira inyuma, baraba batwaye ibibazo byabo mu minota, barasubira inyuma bose, hanyuma baraza kuza kugaruka. Iyi bahasha mubona irafunze neza, nta kintu cyayikoma irimo inyuma.
Drum roll, please. First up on the list of your top 5 contestants, ladies and gentlemen, it's Oho!
Hold your breath, hold your breath. The contestant to join Aurora is contestant number 6, Abiela.
And third girl to join the 5 top contestants is contestant number 7, it's Natasha!
We're not done yet. We're not done yet. 2 more to go. Joining them, the 4th contestant is number 11, Ariana.
And now, the last girl to join the top 5.
Uwa gatanu kuja kuri uru rutonde
our contestants, all the 15 contestants go backstage, and the top 5 prepare for the last series of questions. Over to you, Anne.
But just before going over to us, I think everybody in the room must agree we must say a very big well done to all 15 contestants who made it here out of thousands and thousands. So well done to all the girls. You did an excellent job and we're extremely proud of you. Thank you very much.
mbere yuko dukomeza basigayemo ari batanu reka dukomere amashyi abakobwa bose bo uko bari kuko batoranyijwe mu bakobwa ibihumbi bo muri iki gihugu kandi barabikoze amashyi menshi ku bakobwa bahataniye umwanya wa nyampinga.
So girls, now we'll walk off stage and we'll take a short break, ladies and gentlemen, and we will be back. Thank you very much.
mushobora kuruhuka abakobwa bacu akanya gatoya tukaruhuka hanyuma tukagaruka.